Rahul Poddar. I'm head of procurement for Nestle India. Nestle is massively expanding its infrastructure both via greenfields and brownfield. Our global CEO, Mr. Mark Schneider, was in India last year, and in his meeting with Mr. Modi, he announced that Nestle would be investing around 5,000 crores into infrastructure in India within next 2 to 3 years. Completion of the projects in all its parameters, whether we have been able to do it within the estimated cost budget, the quality which we have been able to get. You may have something on time, but is it as per the same spec? Consider project as a lifetime, then choosing your vendors is like choosing your life partners for the lifetime of that project. Capability, the required amount of resources, and the financial stability to be part of your journey and to be able to see you end to end. This is a space where the criticality of digital tool is utmost because spend is humongous, the scope is complicated, and multiple stakeholders and multiple parties are involved. A role of partners who can bring this competence and these tools to the organizations when they need it also becomes critical. Thanks, Venwiz team. It has always been a pleasure working with you. And honestly, in our last 2 years of association, we have seen tremendous value coming out of it. And I'm very excited with the future possibilities which we have in exploring this digital tool and this space which you have.